Now let's see how we can using keyboard input to move the sprites. So first you have to add a vector called position to hold the position of that sprite on the screen, and add a float variable called speed, and after that you have to do this. You have to create a new vector and give the position where you want to draw the first image. So I'm going to draw it on the left hand side of the game screen and the center of it. So I have taken the size of the game screen by using graphics device.viewport.height, and it's divided by 2 to get it to the center, and I have deduct the image size, the image height divided by 2. After that we have to add another class file to this project. I have named it as input state. It handles the keyboard inputs. So let's go. It has a current keyboard state and a last keyboard state to store those two values, and here's an is key press method here. It's a bool method, and it gets and returns the current key being pressed, and if it's an up key it moves up, and it's down and then it moves down, and if it's left it moves left, and like that. And finally we have to use an update method. So we get the current keyboard state first and store it into the last keyboard state, and get the new keyboard state stored into the current keyboard state. So that's what this code does. So we have to go again into the shooter, and we have created an object here from that input state class we created, and inside the initialize method we have that, and the speed variable is given a value like 10, and then inside the update we have called the update method we created earlier, and is another vector called move, and it's given the value 0, and this code is actually not needed here because we are not going to use a gamepad. So this set of code will update the position of the sprite according to the key pressed, and if the input is moved left, then it will take the x component of the move vector and deduct the value given for speed, and each time we press the left button this will happen, and for the right, move right also, it will add, and move up, move down, so the same thing happens. And we have to update the position here, and the position becomes position plus the value of the move vector. So it will update the position of the sprite on the screen, and we have to replace what's written previously in here. We have written like new rectangle and 0 0 something like that, so we have to replace it using this position. So that's what you have to do in order to move that sprite we created earlier. Let's see whether it works.